In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Crew Motorfest crashing or freezing on PC. So first thing you want to do is go to Steam, find the game, right click on it, properties, installed files. Actually, make sure under general, under launch options, there's nothing written here. Then go to installed files, browse, and then you will find something like the Crew Motorfest.exe. Just find the exe folder for the game. Right click, properties, compatibility. Click on this one and on this one. Then click apply and then click OK. Then here you'll see verify integrity of game files. Click on it and wait for it to finish loading. Then you can close this down. Go to Steam, settings, downloads. Make sure the download region is exactly your region. If you couldn't find your region, then select something close to it. And down here, click clear cache and then close this down. Now you can just minimize this. Then go to NVIDIA. So the NVIDIA app allows you to update your graphics card's driver. So if you have NVIDIA or AMD, whatever it is, just make sure you update your drivers. So click download to update it. You can also update your graphics cards drivers through Device Manager. If you go to display adapters, here you can update them as well. Now go to settings. And then here you need to type graphics settings. Now here find your game. So if you can't find your game, then what you should do, go here and click add desktop app and then browse the game folder, select the .exe folder and then click add. It will look something like this. Then you want to click on this drop down menu. Then you need to select high performance, then turn this option on, and then you want to close this. Now next thing I think you should do is go open Google and download the DirectX package. So if you go to DirectX and user runtime download, here you'll see the web installer. So just download the web installer and then simply just run the installer normally. Click next and it will basically install it for you. And once you do this, you want to restart your computer and this should fix your issue.